Hey y'all, I have kind of a serious note here to talk about. I want to talk about our amendment rights. And I do want to talk about them in order. A couple of them, not all of them, but I think it's very important. Now many of us think of our First Amendment rights, that is the right of free speech. And it's true, it is right to free speech, but it's also the right to freedom of religion. There's religions that I don't agree with out there. But I think it's our responsibility to fight for their right for their religions. I think it's extremely important, y'all. I do believe in free speech, and I do believe in freedom of religion. What is important in our First Amendment rights is that we have the right to worship God as we see fit. Some people don't believe in God. That is their First Amendment rights, and we have to respect that. Just as we want them to respect our rights to believe in God, we should respect those that do not wish to believe in God. There is an issue of respect. Unfortunately, this was not covered in the First Amendment rights in the words, but it is very much insinuated and very much important. Fortunately, I would say that that is the huge problem with America, is our respect for each other's views and opinions. So many people want to hide behind their First Amendment rights. I have the right to say this. I have the right to express my opinion. And that is true. You do have the right to express your opinion. So what's my point to all this? Well, I do have a point. You have a right to express your opinion in your household and on your street. But you do not have the right to come into my household and express your opinion in my household if I choose to shut it down. That is my right, because it's my house, and that is my free speech. Just as you have the right for you to shut me down for what I say in your house. Hey, that is free speech. We have the right to control what we have in our own domain. Many of you will agree with the words that I'm saying. Some of you won't. But I want you to take it one step further. There's also your domain on YouTube. On YouTube, you have the right to run your channel however you see fit. If you're right, if you're left, it doesn't matter. It's your domain. You have control of your channel, and you have the right with free speech to express your free speech on your channel. And you know what? Many of you ain't going to like this. But I have the right on my channel to shut down what you consider to be free speech on my channel. I have the right to shut that down. You may not like it, but that's the way it is. That is my free speech on my channel. I can't control your channel, but you can't control my channel either. That's both of ours free speech. So, how does YouTube play into this whole agenda of free speech? Well, maybe we should talk about that. But let's face it, if your channel is monetized, your channel is a business, right? So, shouldn't it be open to free speech? Where am I coming from here with this? YouTube is a business also. They have the right to their free speech and how they deem to operate their free speech inside of their house. They have control of their house. It is their house. If you don't like their house, go start your own new house. Personally, I'm not into the whole liberal media and what YouTube is portrayed to be. And by the way, we all know that that one Senator Ted Cruz, he has it out for YouTube and Facebook, etc. But you know what, folks? Why is it that the right wing doesn't come out with their social media platform? They whine and cry about the social media platform, and they try to restrict them, yet they say they're about less laws. Huh, go figure. You know what? Make your laws. By the way, I'm so right-wing in my life. I am so far right-wing that even the Republicans despise me. In life comes responsibility, whether it be YouTube or Facebook or your own personal channel, and where you choose to let it go. I do want to say that with Senator Ted Cruz creating a whole bunch of crap about trying to restrict YouTube, which some of it may be good, but it's more government regulation, which the Republicans say we're against regulation. But my take is, if I don't want to put my format on YouTube, that's my choice. Even if I choose to put things on YouTube, that's my choice. But I will say this. Senator Ted Cruz is saying all this crap about how YouTube is promoting the liberal agenda, which they do. I'm not disputing that. But why is it that every time I open up my YouTube and I go to my home page, I got all this right-wing bullcrap? And I mean that literally in that sense. Right-wing bullcrap coming up on my page. Go figure. Why does that crap come up on my page? It's because it's what I search for. In their algorithms, they pick up the stuff that I'm searching for. And they say, hey, you know what? This guy will watch this. So you know what? Ted Cruz is full of shit when he says that YouTube is picking on the right-wing conservatives. No, he's not. Because I'm a right-wing conservative that disagrees with most of right-wing conservative ideals. I don't believe in the government control that he's trying to portray. But that's my take. So hey, if you want to hear my take on Second Amendment rights, the right to bear arms, I'll gladly get into that with y'all. My opinion. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment at the end of this video. Tell me, yes, I want to hear what your opinion is. And also, give me your opinion of your First Amendment rights and your Second Amendment rights in the comments below. I would love that. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whichever may be. I mean, thumbs down don't hurt nothing, folks. I mean, hey, thumbs down, I love it. I want you all to express your opinions. Be expressive, whether it be a thumbs up, a thumbs down, or the finger. Whichever you prefer. I don't care. It doesn't matter, but give me an expression, y'all. Let me know what you think of this video. And tell me if you want me to talk to you about my opinion on the Second Amendment rights, because I'm sure people on both sides would be very much surprised. If the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, well, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, you hear? Bye!